Hi everyone, Alan E here. If you're watching this video, it means you want to make money trading the market. You want to look at the chart, analyze the chart, and trade based on your analysis and hoping that you'll make money. Regardless if you are a new trader or an experienced trader, you are certainly into the idea of looking at the chart, anticipate the market directions, making decisions, and waiting for the money to come into your bank account. However, I want you to know that trading is hard. Technical analysis is hard. While a lot of traders think that trading is for you to make easy money, but actually it is one of the hardest way for you to make easy money. And that is why 90% of traders lose 90% of their trading capital in the first 90 days of trading. This is the fact. But still, it is still possible for you to make money or for you to generate income from trading if you know what you are doing and you have no problem taking the right actions, right? So all you need to make sure is you can win more when you have winning trades than you lose when you have losing trades. You want to make sure that you're able to make at least $2 when you're risking $1 every time you trade the market. Okay, so one winning trade will cover 2 losing trades. Now, if you're able to do this in the long run, you will certainly be on the profitable side. That's why you need trading plan. You must have a trading plan. You will know what to look for when you're analyzing the chart. This way you will have a very systematic approach to trade the market and you won't be running around like a headless chicken. You see, I've been trading the Forex market for over 10 years now. I'm currently a full-time trader. So I trade for the prop firm as well. I can tell you that I have made countless trading mistakes throughout my trading career. And by having a trading plan and consistently working on my trading plan made me who I am today. Of course, I will need to train myself to be able to execute flawlessly following my trading plan. Now, if you're a new trader, you may find what I'm trying to tell you here in this video a little bit vague. But stay with me because you will cut short your trading or learning curve by years. If you're an experienced trader, you know that trading plan is extremely important. I'm sure you know what I'm talking about. And you know you need to have a trading plan. You know you need to execute your trading plan flawlessly. So in today's video, I'll be talking about trading plan, what you need to have in your trading plan, and I'll be showing you my trading plan as well. So after this video, hopefully trading is no longer difficult anymore. If you're able to have the right mindset and you're able to take the right actions, everything is possible. So ready? Let's get started. First off, whatever strategy that you use, whatever system that you use, you must have all these elements in your trading plan. Number one, you want to be able to confirm bias. You want to know whether you should buy or sell or no trade. How are you going to do that? Then you need to confirm the level of interest. Where do you want to trade? Following your bias. You want to buy? Where? You want to sell? Where? Your entry trigger, what has to happen at that level for you to get involved in? There must be some kind of patterns, some kind of structure that happened for you to get involved in. I will tell you in detail later on. Next one will be your entry, your stop loss, and your take profit levels. All right. Of course, the last one will be trade management. Okay, so I'll go in detail one by one. All right, so let me show some of the examples first. By having a trading plan, by having all these elements, whatever system that you use, you will have absolute clarity. You know what you want to see, you know what you need to do. You will be able to do the right things. All right, so first one here, we can see that the price is consistently forming a lower high, lower low structure. So what is my bias? I know I want to sell. Now, criteria number one is fulfilled. I know I want to sell. And then I pull the Fibonacci to see, oh, where can I trade? Where's the level of interest? One of the methods is Fibonacci retracement. So I use Fibonacci retracement to find some of this level, 382, 50, 618, to see the level of interest, to identify level of interest, right? Now I know, okay, if I have candlestick reversal signal at one of these levels, I know I want to sell. Okay, so I know I want to buy or I want to sell based on the structure. I know where I want to buy or where I want to sell. In this case, I know where I want to sell. Now, I want to wait candlestick reversal signal as my entry trigger for me to get involved in. Okay, so then I have it, the bearish engulfing. I place a sell order, stop loss, and TP. Boom, easy. I think this is 1-to-3 risk rewards ratio. All right, the next example, we have a low, we have a high, we have a low. So what is my bias? Is to sell. This is a 15 minutes chart. Now, where do I want to sell? Level of interest. In this case, I can use pivot points. So there are many level of interest that you can use. I will talk a little bit about that later on. In this case, I use pivot point. So what this means? This means that if I have candlestick reversal signal, a bearish candlestick reversal signal at the pivot point, I want to sell. So in this case, I have it, right? I have the bearish candlestick reversal signal. the bearish engulfing. So I place a sell order and boom. The next one, we have double top. So I saw a double top. I know, oh, this is a bearish structure, a bearish chart pattern, together with the confluence of a strong divergence right here. So this is a very nice, very decent double top structure with divergence. The neckline is here. I just wait for the neckline breakout as the level of interest, right? The neckline is my level of interest. I know I want to sell after I see this double top formation. Now, where do I want to sell? After the price break this neckline, go back into the neckline with candlestick reversal signal, then I'll pull the trigger. So in this case, the candlestick reversal signal that I got is the pin bar, the bearish pin bar. That's when I place a sell order and boom, make some profits. So 3 things: confirm your bias, identify where you want to trade, and what has to happen for you to get involved in at the level that you want. So my trading plan is here. Confirm the bias. The method that I use is to confirm the high, low, high structure for me to buy. So when I have something like this, a high, low, a high, then I know I want to buy, right? When I have a low, a high, a lower low, I know I want to sell. Okay, so this is how I confirm my bias. All right, the next one is confirm the level of interest. Now I want to know, where do I want to trade? Where do I want to buy? Where do I want to sell? So Fibonacci retracement tool, you can use that. You can use SR zone, you can use trend line, supply demand zones, the pivot points, moving averages, chart pattern, and many more. Okay, so the point here is there must be some level or some area that support your bias, and when we have candlestick reversal signal and at that level, then we will pull the trigger. So the candlestick reversal signal that we want will be the pin bar, engulfing, and the 3-bar reversal. Of course, there are many other candlestick reversal signal, but these 3 will be the most powerful one. I've been using this for 10 years now. I'm still using this. All right. The next one will be your entry. How are you going to set your entry? You want to use instant order, limit order. You can use stop order as well. How about your risk? How much you want to risk on? 1%, 2%, 3%. How about your stop loss? Where do you want to set your stop loss? Where do you want to set your target profits? It must be very, very clear. Okay. If you want me to talk more about this, entry, stop loss, TP placements, let me know in the comment section below. Maybe I'll do one video in the future. Right, the last one will be the trade management. Trade management is important because you want to eliminate your risk. Okay, so in my case, I will eliminate the risk when I have 1R return. If I risk 1% and currently floating 1%, so I'll move my stop to break even to the entry price so that I'm no longer risking 1%. Okay, so I just let the market do its thing and give me the money. Right, so let me show some of the examples here step by step. Right, at first we have a low, a high, a low. What is our bias? Is to sell. Okay, we want to sell, and then we just wait for the candlestick reversal signal at the SR zone. Right, so we know this is the SR zone. So now we will just wait for candlestick reversal signal. I have it, the bearish engulfing at the SR zone. Now what should I do? I place a sell order. In this case, it's sell limit order, stop loss, TP, and let's see what happened. Boom. It's a 2R. But of course, trading can be very, very challenging sometimes. So in this case, we have a high, a low, a high, a high. We know our bias is to buy. Now, there is multiple way for you to confirm for you to find your level of interest. As I mentioned just now, you can use Fibonacci tool. You can find the SR zone. You can use the moving average, right? So in this case, I have the level of interest 1, the SR zone. Level of interest 2 is the Fibonacci level. Okay, some of this area. Inside this area, level of interest 3 is the moving average. Now what I want is, I want to buy if I have candlestick reversal signal at the SR zone here. I want to buy if I have candlestick reversal signal at 50 or 618 retracement level. I want to buy if I have candlestick reversal signal at EMA. So if one of these fulfill, then I will pull the trigger. Now I obviously have a bullish pin bar right here, isn't it? So I place a buy order right here. Right? Then what happened? Boom, I lost 1% here. Okay, so you won't be perfect all the time. All right, so in trading, the losses are just as much as the winners. You want to make sure that you win more than you lose. All right, so now you know that, oh, this level is violated. We need to wait for the next candlestick reversal signal at another level, right? So in this case, I have around the Fibonacci area, we have the 3-bar reversal. So I pull the buy order, I place a buy order at the market, 1 to 2 risk rewards, and it get taken out again. Things can be difficult and challenging sometimes. But can I still buy? The answer is yes. As long as the low here is intact, the price is above this low, my bias is still buy. I still follow this structure. I just wait for the next opportunity. So in this case, I waited and waited. Finally, I got myself a 3-bar reversal, morning star, above the EMA structure. The price touched the EMA and I have the 3-bar reversal, a morning star. So I place a buy order, boom, and guess what? The thing is a 1-to-3 risk reward ratio. How cool is that? Okay, so in the future video, I will talk deeper about the candlestick reversal signal, the SR zone, and many more. All right, so here's what you need to do now. Okay, I want you to have a trading plan. Make sure that you have a trading plan. There's no way you are going to become a profitable trader without a trading plan. I showed you a simplest template that you can start with. And then you want to practice relentlessly until you are the master of your trading plan. The purpose of this trading plan is to give you clarity, know what you want, what you look for, and what you should be doing. So your job is to execute flawlessly, religiously, following your trading plan without adjusting anything at all. And then you want to review your trading plan and improve it every 100 and 300 trades. All right, so this is what you need to do now. There you have it. The right way for you to trade the market. Of course, you won't get it right the first time. It takes time for you to perfect your trading plan, but you will certainly get there if you keep working on it. So if you like this strategy, you can use it too, but make sure that you have done enough practice before putting your hard-earned money into it. In the future videos, I'll show you different trading strategies, how to get 6 figures in trading, how to get 6-figure capital fast, how to have a profitable trading mindset, and many more. So I hope these videos help you in your trading career. And if you want to have more videos like this, make sure to like and subscribe. All right, my name is Alan T, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.